Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six server connection error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to device manager, click on it. Now go to display, go to network adapters, right click update, search automatically for drivers, do the same thing into the last one and then go to control panel and then go to network and internet, network and sharing center, and then connections, it must be internet or Wi-Fi, click on it, properties, protocol, internet version 4 properties, use the following DNS and copy those numbers here, close it, and now after that just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem then go to background apps and make sure to turn off all those applications and also open task manager and close all the applications that you don't need and that you know what they do. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.